guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashanya, or you can call me Mama L. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a loyal subscriber, you already know the drill. Woo! I have not done that in such a long time. I'm so happy to be doing it today, though. As you can read by the title, we are doing another Fashionnova haul. At this point, Fashionnova, I know I haven't been that active on here, but come on. I'm not gonna be doing shoes only because, to be honest, I just made up these outfits like 5 minutes ago and I do not feel like finding shoe to go with it. Ankles up, baby. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Whole lot of money in my hand, I'm walking straight to the bank. All about bands, walk through and I do my dance. So them other girls don't stand a chance. Whole lot of money in my hand, I'm walking straight to the bank. All about bands, walk through and I do my dance. So them other girls don't stand a chance. Roll up a this thing, roll up a next one. I don't like them, they ain't my bread runs. Don't cross me, I'll get your head spun. I want the whole thing, and then some. I don't really want your man, but if I did, just know I can. I roll with SARS, you know that's gang. I'm not your cuz, I'm not your fam. I don't really talk too much. I'm changing gears, my foot on clutch. I told him look, but don't you touch. I jump on beats, I double dutch. And now they wanna get onto me. I don't bother you, so don't bother me. I got enough mates, don't need company. I just want bus and live comfortably. Whole lot of money in my hand, I'm walking straight to the bank. All about bands, walk through and I do my dance. So them other girls don't stand a chance. Whole lot of money in my hand, I'm walking straight to the bank. All about bands.
I'm tired and I apologize if the lighting ever looked crazy. I'm using my iPhone, okay? I'm trying my best. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed being back and doing a video for you guys. I had so much fun doing this. I seriously miss doing hauls and just being on YouTube. And so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next. Bye.
All about bands, walk through and I do my dance.
Damn, I look good. Who that? That's me. That's me. Huh? Huh? That's me.
Me, champion, I am in the highest league. Autopilot won't get you.